Hi guys, if you're currently using OneNote but looking for alternatives, this video is for you. There are some excellent OneNote alternatives on the market. To help you find one, we've listed some of the best alternatives in no particular order. Watch on to learn more about these providers and find out which one will work best for your needs. So let's get started. The first one on the list is ClickUp. If you're looking for a project management tool that provides a little bit of everything, ClickUp is an excellent option to consider. A favourite note-taking and project management tool combined, ClickUp has jumped in popularity as a go-to all-in-one tool today. ClickUp allows users to store and edit documents in real time, keep track of tasks and projects via a colour-coded system, and has a native Notepad feature. The Notepad feature trumps OneNote's Notepad, which can add checklists, simple code snippets, and offers Notepad printing functionality. Some of the ClickUp features include its note-taking functionality allows users to print notes, customizable interface, perfect for businesses of any size, drag and drop functionality with an intuitive and straightforward interface, native time tracking and powerful integrations, offers both free and paid plans. However, there are some cons to using ClickUp. A steep learning curve due to the number of available features and level of customizability, glitchy app on Android, and lacks a project message board. And for the pricing, ClickUp's free plan allows unlimited users and tasks, but limits the storage to 100 megabytes. To access more advanced features and storage spaces, consider one of its premium plans. They are available from $5 per user per month. ClickUp is best for team collaboration through built-in tools. Quick note, my work is supported by affiliate commissions, so if this video is helpful, you can find links to the websites I mentioned in the video description. If you click those links, I may earn a commission. That helps a lot, so thank you. Okay, next let's talk about Notion. Notion is one such alternative that is quickly gaining traction among users looking for an easy-to-use, yet robust note-taking application. It was created with the intention of being an all-in-one workspace where teams can create tasks, documents, wikis, databases, and more. Notion is one of the popular note-taking apps with 1,000+ community-made templates for download. The user interface is highly customizable, so users can tailor the experience to meet their individual needs. With its integration into multiple third-party apps like Slack and Jira, Notion provides many ways to help streamline your workflow. Compared to Evernote or OneNote, Notion is a high-maintenance platform. It requires modifying and feature understanding to make your notes not just look aesthetically pleasing, but serve their purpose. Notion offers a free version for personal use and paid plans starting at $4 per month. Next, we have Evernote. You might have come across Evernote in your early schooling or career days. As one of the first digital note-taking apps, Evernote's easy-to-use web clipper tool remains popular to this day. Evernote replaces the need for any physical paper with a scan and save feature, so all your things are digitized. While Evernote proves itself as an all-encompassing database, it's not a long-term solution for note-takers. There's a lack of transparency in Evernote's plans for feature improvements. However, the application does allow users to create notebooks for different topics, jot down ideas with rich text formatting, record audio notes, clip web pages for future use, create to-dos in Notes as well as attach documents and photos. Furthermore, its browser extension makes it easy to capture information from the web without leaving the page. Evernote offers free and paid plans starting at $7.99 a month. So as you can see, OneNote isn't the only great app out there. There are plenty of others, even beyond what we've listed here today. Some have features similar to OneNote's, others have a completely different set of features and functions. Like I said earlier, my work is supported by affiliate commissions, so if this video was helpful, you can check the links in the description. Again, that helps a lot. Thank you. The point of this video isn't to force you to use something other than OneNote, it's to consider the other options that are out there. For some companies, sticking with what's familiar might be worth it, but for others, switching to a new alternative with tools that better suit their needs and goals can help them build their business presence faster. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully it's helped you out, and if it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.